In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, structured project plan built from a template, ready for your team to use right away. Start on your Monday.com home. From the left panel, head to Workspaces. Pick the workspace where this project should live so your teammates, permissions, and folders stay organized. Inside that workspace, look for the plus icon to add something new. Hover over Board to reveal your options, then choose. Start with Template. This is the quickest way to set up a professional project plan without building everything from scratch. The Template Center will open. Switch to All Templates so you can see the full library, then explore the General section and select the Project Management category. Here you'll find boards designed for timelines, ownership, status tracking, and milestones. Open a template that matches how your team plans projects. Take a moment to preview it, check the groups, columns, and example items to make sure the structure fits your workflow. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board in the workspace you chose. Now it's time to make your edits so this plan reflects your actual project. Rename the board to your project's title so it's easy to find. Review the groups across the board. You might treat them as phases like planning, execution, and wrap-up, or as sprints or work streams. Rename or reorder groups to match your process and remove any sample groups you don't need. Next, tailor the columns. Keep the people column for task owners and the status column to track progress. Make sure you have a timeline or date column for due dates and add priority if that helps your team triage work. If the template includes columns you won't use, delete them to reduce noise. If you need more detail, add a numbers column for budgets or estimates, a text column for notes, or a tags column to group related items. Replace any sample items with your real tasks. Create clear, action-oriented titles, assign owners, and set realistic timelines. Adjust the status labels to match your vocabulary and color code them to make progress easy to scan. You can also explore different views like Gantt or calendar if they're included, which can make timelines and capacity easier to visualize. Give your board a quick review to confirm the hierarchy, owners, and dates look right. That's it. Your project plan is live, organized, and ready for collaboration.